What's up, everyone? Welcome to Pursuing the Best with the Wilkins $2 million giveaway. We are striving to give away $2 million to our random subscribers and also an additional $2.137 million to charities that are near and dear to our heart. If you go to pursuingthebest.com, you'll see a whole detail of the giveaway. I'm going to give you a quick, brief overview. But our goal here is to share a lot of great ideas, a lot of inspirational stories, and a lot of funny moments that hopefully generate a lot of views, a lot of likes, a lot of subscribes, and then we turn around and strive to give back to random subscribers, which could be you, and the charities that we want to have a major impact on. How do you enter the giveaway? This is pretty simple. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, the YouTube channel here. Also, you can subscribe to our Rumble channel. Same type of information is going to be released out on that channel as well. Make sure you subscribe there and comment on the video. So when you comment on a video, that gets you an entry into the giveaway. You can also get an additional entry, I should say, to the giveaways. Go to enter giveaway here on pursuingthebest.com website. Click that, enter in your information, that'll get you an entry. Also, if you happen to tag us on Instagram, Facebook, and so forth, and we see that, make sure we see it, then we will give you another entry into the giveaway as well. So just by sharing our page out there, our YouTube channel, to others via your social media pages. But bottom line is, we're going to strive to share a ton of great ideas that'll hopefully make your day just a little bit better out there each and every time that you watch a video. And if you'd actually like to sponsor or advertise with our YouTube channel, our website, pursuingthebest.com, here is our promise to you. We would take 40% of whatever you sponsor us with or advertise dollars with us. Let's say it's $10, $100, $1,000. 40% of that we give back through our random subscriber giveaway and attach your name to it, your company's services. Maybe it's in the form of gift cards, whatever, back to you. That is one way, and maybe doing a unique video advertising situation. Another 40% would actually go to the charities near and dear to our heart, which are right here on the home page. And we could also include a charity that maybe you're very passionate about. So Alzheimer's Association is one here. We've got ALS. We've got St. Jude's Research Center for Children. We've got MS down here. We've got the American Heart Association. We've got Cincinnati Children's right here, which is right here locally in Cincinnati, and then American Cancer Society are the top charities that we would focus. The other 20% goes to help us maintaining the channel and putting this together as the spokesperson for Pursuing the Best with the Wilkins. And that's our promise to you with your sponsorship dollars, your advertising dollars, and how we would distribute it out. And if you want to help us do that, advertise, sponsor, click that tab right here at the top, right on the home page, pursuingthebest.com. Come in there, it's going to pull up the next page where you can literally just start putting in your information, contact information, how we can collab with you, and then you hit the submit button. We'll be in contact, and we appreciate anything. If it's $1, $5, whatever it may be, our goal is to strive to help people out and make their day just a little bit better. So thank you very much for joining on. And if there's any questions you guys have for us, let us know. And one of our key sayings in our family is, if you might feel like you're down or you're struggling, just remember, with God, anything is possible. Thank you for subscribing. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks.